I'll give you a bunch of different ones to pick from.
What you're seeing now are the 3,000 or 4,000 houses that I mentioned before, all that were built in a year and a half. This is the area of Nortel. And to understand what the significance of a blueprint in building projects like this so quickly, you need to understand what a blueprint is and how the blueprint concept can function within the information marketing realm. I have here with me a blueprint that I built this particular home several times myself, and I want to show you just what it looks like. It starts off, you can see that it's several pages. It starts off with what they call a grading and drainage plan. It shows how the home is positioned on the lot. Next we have what we call architectural notes, the security system, the exterior interior materials, glazing in windows, building, roofing, attic insulation, fire blocking, plumbing, electrical, code requirements and restrictions, and a whole variety of information. You can see all that fine print. At the bottom here we have the schematic of the water and the waste system in the house, as well as the propane gas system. That's just one plan. Now, I show this to you internet marketing interested people so that you get an idea of what you mean when you say blueprint. And here the next plan in this is general structural notes. It tells about the foundations and the concrete and the wood and framing materials and connections. Connections are important in information marketing. Just like we connect dissimilar material in construction, you also connect dissimilar material in information marketing. Continuing on in this set of plans, first we have the foundation plan, and this is what a blueprint's involved in. It shows everything that's underneath the floor or the ground, everything ground level and down. Along, again, you'll see a whole bunch of fine print notes as to how this work is to be accomplished. Finally, we have the floor plan, along with elevations of the kitchen and other special walls within the house. Next, we have what we call the dimensioned floor plan, and that shows the actual dimensions and sizes of every little detail within the residence. And of course all the layout of the rooms. What we have here is what's called the wind shear plan, with all of the problems with seismic, earthquake, and wind that can happen to a home. We design into the house special walls that structurally add so that these houses can withstand these extreme conditions. Now here is a problem, and this happens in real life, I might add, when the blueprint blows around and you can't get it to do what you want it to do. This is called the elevations. There is a front or two side elevations and a rear elevation. This tells what the project is supposed to look like in its finished form. And this is something that information blueprints should show, what the finished product is like. Continuing on, there's the roof framing structure. By the way, it's the most complicated roof I ever had a part of a building, as well as what we call cross sections, what it would be like if you cut the house in two and you could look at all the walls. These right here in the lower left are what's called cross sections. Just to go through this plan further, we have the electrical plans. These show every receptacle in the house and every switch and every light, and along with the details for the meter and switching, and utility service. Notice again there are a great number of notes on this describing how the work is to be accomplished. Further, here is the heating and air conditioning plan, along with notes. And this is a plan that we refer to often in construction called the details. It's just little different aspects of the foundations and the roof structure and the connections that have to be made, wall cross sections, details that we look at as to how things are built, attached together, and how they are finished. In addition to that, we have another detail sheet, and this list goes on. And then finally I have the plot plan that I started with in this roll of blueprints. So you see what I mean when I'm talking about information marketing and the blatant use of the term blueprint. In all honesty, the people that use this term don't know what they're talking about. Blueprints are very detailed, very functional in their orientation, and we need to learn how to do real blueprints in information marketing, and I'm here to do this. Now, if you click at the link right down below this video, click at this link and you can download free of charge some blueprints that I have drawn about different aspects of information marketing. And then in addition to that, there will be videos available to you on the page that you're directed to that will explain each one of these blueprints, and you can learn an incredible lot about how blueprints can very effectively be used in information marketing. I'll see you on the other side. Click this link now.